and welcome. At LG, we believe that innovation drives progress. And we have been committed to providing the best of everything to our consumers to enhance their experience and convenience. Today, we will explore how LG air conditioners have been delivering energy-efficient air conditioning solutions with innovative technologies. When it comes to performance, LG air conditioners provide unmatched cooling with superior durability. LG's dual inverter compressor with a varied speed dual rotary motor offers faster cooling, better energy savings, low noise and long-lasting performance. Now you can enjoy cooling with exceptional comfort. AI Plus uses advanced sensing technology to learn about your environment and habits, automatically adjusting cooling and fan speed for personalized comfort. It monitors conditions, sends data to the server, and uses algorithms for optimal performance. With AI convertible 6-in-1 technology, enjoy seamless cooling and comfort. The 6 modes offer flexibility to adjust cooling capacity with a single button. Building on its legacy of innovation, LG's Virat mode increases cooling capacity by up to 116%, ensuring comfort cooling even for a room filled with people. Also, LG's 100% copper tubes with ocean black protection shield your air conditioner from corrosion, making it ideal for India's diverse weather conditions. Additionally, high-grooved copper pipes ensure better heat dissipation of the refrigerant, maintaining cooling for a longer duration. For those seeking effortless comfort, LG air conditioners offer the finest technologies to enhance the user comfort and convenience. Innovation is at the heart of LG. An Energy Manager Plus feature is true game changer. LG proudly introduces India's first AC with Energy Manager Plus, which gives you total control over electricity bills like never before. Now, you can easily fix your electricity bill with just a tap on the LG ThinQ app and say goodbye to unexpected bills. Ever imagined your AC running on just 17% power input? LG's Diet Mode Plus technology makes this a reality by reducing power consumption by 83% while efficiently cooling the room. Control your air conditioner with LG ThinQ app. It detects issues, analyzes data, and streamlines service requests. Voice control also works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. LG air conditioners are not just efficient, they're intelligent too. The self-diagnosis feature through the LG ThinQ app quickly detects and gives solution to fixed issues, keeping your comfort uninterrupted. Crafted with a minimalist yet elegant design, it comes with an integrated display, thoughtfully designed to complement the unique aesthetics of your home. LG's 4-way swing ensures uniform airflow and ventilation, always providing unmatched comfort. LG's Comfort Air feature provides uniform cooling throughout the space, ensuring a consistently comfortable environment without direct airflow. LG air conditioners come with multiple features that improve health and hygiene by reducing impurities, ensuring every breath is clean, refreshing, and safe. With Him Clean feature, a simple tap on the LG ThinQ app initiates an advanced cleaning cycle that freezes, defrosts, and washes away 99% of bacteria and germs, keeping your air conditioner fresh and hygienic. As humidity rises during the rainy season, comfort can take a hit. But with LG's Monsoon Comfort technology, you enjoy optimal cooling and energy efficiency, keeping you refreshed and at ease. Do you know LG's HD filter with antivirus protection effectively eliminates mold, fungi from indoor air and maintains the hygiene of the air conditioners? This means you not only enjoy cooling, but are ensured of good health and hygiene as well. LG air conditioners are durable and reliable, designed to endure extreme weather while delivering efficient and stable performance. LG air conditioners offer durable and stable performance with Gold FinPlus technology, protecting against humidity, dust, and chemicals, ideal for coastal and humid areas. Low gas detection technology alerts the user when the refrigerant level drops, with a clear CH38 display on the air conditioner. The Advanced Stabilizer Free Plus technology keeps your air conditioner running without worrying about voltage fluctuations, ensuring safety and savings. The auto clean function dries internal components after each cooling cycle, preventing mold and odor buildup, giving you cleaner and fresher air. ADC safety sensors are designed to enhance durability and safety. The ADC sensors ensure stable and reliable performance at every step. And cherry on top, LG Split Air Conditioner comes with a warranty of 10 years on the compressor and 5 years on the PCB and motor, thus ensuring you have your complete peace of mind. This dynamic series is available in 1, 1.5 and 2-ton model, seamlessly integrating into mid-sized spaces and cater to your varied needs. Its efficiency is as commendable as its design, boasting a BEE rating of 3 to 5 stars, ensuring top-tier energy efficiency. Powered by cutting-edge technology, it delivers optimal cooling and performance, paired with stabilizer-free operation for uncompromised efficiency. When you purchase an LG Split Air Conditioner, you receive 1 indoor unit, 1 outdoor unit, 1 user manual, 1 power cable, 1 remote, 1 installation plate, and 2 installation pipes in the packaging box.